Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive and unarchive Instagram post. So when you go to your Instagram profile, you see some pictures that you want to remove from your profile, but you don't want to delete them. Archiving post is the best way to do that. In this tutorial, I'll go through both how to archive posts to hide them from your profile and also unarchive them where you can unhide them and bring them back to your profile. So to get started with how to archive Instagram posts, first thing we need to do is simply find the post that we want to archive. Go ahead and open it up. Once you have it open, select the three dots to the right of your username to open the menu. When the menu opens, select Archive. So quickly there, the post will disappear. When I go back to my profile, you can see that that post is no longer there. So that's how you archive posts. To unarchive Instagram posts, what you need to do is go to your profile in the Instagram app, then select the three bars to open the menu, and then in here we just want to select Archive. This will show you all the different archive content on your profile, and to go through the different types of content such as stories, posts, things like that, select the drop down at the top where it says Stories Archived, and just select Post. And then in here, as you can see, the post that I just archived is right there. All I need to do is select it, then select the three dots to the right of it, and then in the menu that comes up, select Show on Profile. Now when I go back to my profile, you can see that the post has been unarchived and is now showing on my profile. All right, so that's how you archive and unarchive Instagram posts. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.